Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to import PowerPoint slides to Canva without losing formatting. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your desktop browser and head over to canva.com. Make sure you're already logged into your account so you can access all your design features. Once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Create a Design. Go ahead and click on it to bring up a menu of design options. From the menu that appears, you'll need to select Presentation. This option is specifically designed for slide-based content and ensures that your imported PowerPoint file maintains its slide structure and layout when brought into Canva. Choosing the right format here is key to preserving your original formatting. Now you'll be taken into the Canva editor. Look over to the left sidebar where you'll find various tools and options. Click on Uploads to access the area where you can bring in your own files. This section is where all your imported content will be stored and managed within Canva. Next, click the Upload Files button. This will open a file browser window on your computer where you can locate your PowerPoint file. Browse through your folders and find the PowerPoint presentation you want to import. Make sure it's saved as either a .pptx or .ppt file, as these are the formats Canva recognizes for PowerPoint imports. Once you've located your file, select it and click Open to begin the upload process. You'll need to wait a moment while Canva uploads your PowerPoint file. You should see a progress bar indicating how much of the upload is complete. The time this takes depends on your file size and internet connection speed, so just give it a few seconds to finish processing. After the upload completes, you'll see your PowerPoint file appear in the Uploads tab. Click on your uploaded PowerPoint file to open it and prepare it for import. This action tells Canva that you're ready to bring these slides into your current presentation project. A window will pop up showing you a preview of your slides. Here you'll see an option that says Apply All Pages. Click this button to import every slide from your PowerPoint presentation into Canva at once. This saves you time compared to importing slides one by one and ensures your entire presentation transfers over in the correct order. Now that your slides are imported, it's important to review each one carefully. Go through your presentation slide by slide and check that all your headings, text, images, and colors appear correctly. Most elements should transfer smoothly, but occasionally some formatting details may shift slightly during the import process. If you notice that any fonts look different from your original PowerPoint, don't worry. This happens when Canva doesn't have the exact same font installed. Simply click on the text box that looks different, and from the font drop-down menu, select the closest matching font from Canva's font list. This will help maintain the visual consistency of your presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your PowerPoint slides into Canva while preserving your formatting. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.